Hey guys, today we're going to be learning our number blocks times table. In case if you don't remember, school is only 3 days away, so we need to prepare your mind for a math class. It doesn't matter if you're in elementary school or if you're in high school, like me. So, let's begin. 3, 2, 1. First, we're going to start with our 1 times table. Here we go. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. 4 times 1 is 4. 5 times 1 is 5. 6 times 1 is 6. 7 times 1 is 7. 8 times 1 is 8. 9 times 1 is 10. 10 times 1 is 10. 11 times 1 is 11. 12 times 1 is 12. 13 times 1 is 13. 14 times 1 is 14. 15 times 1 is 15. 16 times 1 is 16. 17 times 1 is 17. 18 times 1 is 18. 19 times 1 is 20. And 20 times 1 is 20. Next, we have the 2 times table. Here we go. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 2 is 6. 8 times 2 is... whoops. Hold on, I messed up. Here we go. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 2 is 8. 5 times 2 is 10. 6 times 2 is 12. 14 times 2... No, wait, okay, fine. We're just going to do a different way. Sorry, I messed up, guys. Here we go. So instead of doing the multiples, we're just going to count. Here we go. Ready? Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. So that's the 2 times table. Now it's the 3 times table. Here we go. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57, 60. Next is the 4 times table. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52, 56, 60, 64, 68, 72, 76, 80. Next, you might have seen this before, but the 5 times table. This is easy. Now we're just going to count by 5s. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Next is the 6 times table. Here we go. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72, 78, 84, 90, 96, 102, 108, 114, 120. Next is the 7 times table. Here we go. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84, 91, 198, 105, 112, 119, 126, 133, 140. Next is the 8 times table. Now this is just like the 4 times table, but you skip 4, 12, and so on. 8, 16, 24, 32, 30, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, 96, 104, 112, 120, 128, 136, 144, 152, 160. Next is the 9 times table. Now this is just like adding 10, but you leave 1 behind. Plus 10 minus 1. Here we go. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 99, 108, 117, 126, 135, 144, 153, 162, 171, 180. Next is the 10 times table. Now this is the simplest so far. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200. Next is the 11 times table. Now we're going to introduce the League of 11s. Here we go. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, 110, 121, 132, 143, 154, 165, 176, 187, 198, 209, and finally 220. But we're not done there. We still have a long ways to go. The 12 times table. And no, the music is not going to get high pitched. It's going to start all over again. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 32, 84, 96, 108, 120, 132, 144, 156, 168, 180, 192, 204, 216, 228, 240. Next is the 13 times table. Yes, the music started all over again. 13, 26, 39, 52, 65, 78, 91, 104, 117, 130, 143, 156, 169, 182, 195, 208, 221, 234, 247, 260. Next is the 14 times table. Now this is where things are going to get a little trickier. Anyway, here we go. 14, 28, 42, 56, 70, 84, 98, 112, 126, 140, 154, 168, 182, 196, 210, 224, 238, 252, 266, 280. Now, the 15 times table. Now, it's just like adding 5s, but you skip 10, 20, and so on. No, actually, you just add 10 and then add 5. 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135, 150, 165, 180, 195, 210, 225, 240, 255, 270, 285, 300. Next is the 16 times table. Now it's just like the 8 times table, but you skip 8, 24, and so on. 16, 32, 48, 64, 80, 96, 112, 128, 144, 160, 176, 192, 208, 224, 240, 256, 272, 288, 304, 320. Next is the 17 times table, the Painter's Gallery. Here we go. 17, 34, 51, 68, 85, 102, 119, 136, 153, 170, 187, 204, 221, 238, 255, 272, 289, 306, 323, 340. Next is the 18 times table. We're almost there. Here we go. The 18 times table. 18, 36, 54, 72, 90, 108, 126, 144, 162, 180, 198, 216, 234, 252, 270, 288, 306, 324, 342, 360. Next is the 19 times table. We're almost there. Here we go. 19, 38, 57, 76, 95, 114, 133, 152, 100. Oops. I am so sorry about that. Let's try that again. All right. The 19 times table. Here we go. 19, 38, 57, 76, 95, 114, 133, 152, 171, 190, 209, 328, 247, 266, 285, 304, 323, 342, 361, 380. Next is the 20 times table. We're almost done. We just have this one left to go. Here we go. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 300, 320, 340, 360, 380, 400! Anyway, that's it.